Be My Beauty recently launched the first ever deer placenta here in the Philippines. The company boasts that each gel has 15,000 milligrams or 50% more than other competitor brand. It helps in rejuvenation and restoring the cell in our bodies.
Background na yung father niya is may prostate cancer. So, naghahanap kami ng alternative supplements kasi nakikita namin yung suffering niya sa day-to-day medication niya. So, since may edad na siya, kaya naghahanap kami nung nung pwede nating ipalit do sa synthetic medicine.
Aside from cellular repair, it also claims that it can also help to treat other diseases like cancer and diabetes. For 20,000 pesos, you can get a bottle of 60 gels. And for distributor price, you can get this for 15,000 pesos.
So, napag-aralan namin na yung stem cell is talagang may naidudulot na maganda sa katawan, lalo na sa cancer. Although it's a food supplement, pero may mga since 19th century pa pala, itong stem cell na ito, ginagamit na talaga.
For more information to be a distributor, you can visit their Facebook page, Be My Beauty. Thanks for watching and subscribe now for more videos.